And the one thing that I want to emphasize is that last time I tried doing this, like a few months ago, I got into a lot of trouble because all of the lettuce got attacked by aphids. These little tiny insects right here. So they look like spiders, and once they invade your vegetables, you are done, because they will eat up everything and that's it. You won't be able to eat lettuce because they have this ability for some reason to excrete some kind of substance that they call honeydew, and it's kind of a sticky substance, and yeah, they will destroy everything. So this time I took advantage of this particular organic oil in order to keep all of these critters away from my lettuce, and let me tell you that it's really working. So I'm pretty happy that, at least for now, I haven't seen any aphids, which is awesome. So I got plenty of lettuce for maybe a couple weeks or so.